I'm Paul Donnelly. I've been the lead tour guide at DC Tours since we hit the streets in 2013. Prior to this, I worked in adult, community and political education, earning my stripes in conflict resolution and mediation work across the city. In 2019, I was voted UK Tour Guide of the Year. Originally from North Belfast, I ended up across the River Lagan, but have strong friendships and relationships with people and communities in every part of town through my previous adventures. This has been invaluable in conveying to visitors from around the globe the many stories amongst our people, regardless of their background. My daughter was born 2 years before the 1994 ceasefires and my son 7 years after the signing of the Good Friday Agreement. This has often made me reflect on the city I knew growing up and how it is today. I bring that experience and reflection to my storytelling. A graduate of Queen's University in politics and then education, I cut my teeth in student union politics before entering the world of community education and mediation, particularly in our interfaith communities.